Hello our Desi and Pardesi foodies out there. Today I'm going to show you another classic Greek dish, Kaleftiko. This makes for a great Easter Sunday meal, and we happened to taste this for the very first time in Greece when we were holidaying there during Easter. And this dish is Naveen's absolute favorite. Today he's cooking this delicious recipe for our Easter lunch. So we are going to start by adding a generous splash of olive oil to a baking dish. Dice 4 medium-sized peeled potatoes into large cubes. You know, dear friends, this dish has a very interesting history to it. The dish literally got its name from a group of thieves called Kalefts who used to steal goats from the mountains, and then they used to season this meat and cook it by burying it in the ground. And the next morning, this meat used to be so tender and juicy and falling off the bone, and this dish has gone on to be such a popular dish in Greece. Quite an interesting fact. Well, now getting back to the recipe, we are going to season these potatoes with about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We are going to give the potatoes a good mix so that they are well coated with the seasoning. Now we are adding 2 large pieces of lamb shanks. This quantity is enough for 3 servings, so you can increase or decrease the quantity of meat and potatoes depending on how many servings you want. Slice 3 medium-sized tomatoes into large chunks, and we are going to add this as well to the baking dish. Also add in 2 medium-sized onions cut into large chunks. Add 4 to 5 whole garlic cloves. The garlic will give this dish a lovely flavor as it roasts. Add in a generous splash of olive oil and then season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves and also add in 2 sprigs of rosemary. Squeeze in the juice of 1 large lemon, and then to this we are going to add 200 ml of white wine. When the meat roasts in the oven, the alcohol evaporates, leaving behind this delicious flavor of the wine mixed with the flavor of the herbs. We are also going to preheat our oven to 140 degrees centigrade, and the oven that I am using is an electric oven. So with a foil, seal this baking dish tightly, and we are going to leave this to slowly roast in the oven for 5 hours. After 5 hours of roasting, the meat has turned absolutely tender and juicy, and it is falling off the bone. It is this method of slow roasting that gives this dish that amazing and unique flavor. And dear friends, we just can't wait to try it out.
It's time to taste the meat. Wow, it's cooked so well. It's just falling off the bone. It's so tender. Can't wait to take a bite. It's really tasty. Now time to taste potato. It's cooked perfectly well. All the flavors are in it. Wow, one of the best dishes.
Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we loved making this dish for you. Do try out this recipe this Easter, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it. And before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. And we will see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, have a fantastic weekend and happy Easter to all of you.